Right now, we are in Port Leesh. It's the biggest town in County Laois in Ireland, of course. As always, Richu wants to help his daddy. I know some of you may be thinking now why we have come to Port Leesh at this time of lockdown. You know, it's just because this is the nearest big town for us and we have to come to Port Leesh for some shopping. It is obvious that the pandemic has taken its toll on many shops in the shopping center. It's so sad. Let's hope and pray that this pandemic will be over soon. I was ordering from the computer, I was literally thinking about the old times when I used to sit in the restaurant, McDonald's, and having the food, enjoying with the family. It was a time. Let's hope that will come back. So that's all in this short video. We finished our shopping and we are going back. So thanks a lot for watching nomadstervlogs, and I will see you in the next video soon. And as always, I'm again begging you to like and comment and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.